Have you ever looked at your chart and felt like the candles are telling you nothing? That's because raw price is noisy. Today, I'm going to show you the indicator that traders use to make sense of that chaos. Moving averages. A moving average is simple. It takes the closing prices over a period of time and averages them out, creating a smooth line. Instead of reacting to every wiggle on the chart, you see the overall direction of the market. When price stays above the moving average, the trend is generally up. When price stays below, the trend is generally down. There are different types of moving averages, and each one has its own purpose. The simplest version is the SMA, Simple Moving Average. It gives equal weight to all candles in the selected period. If you choose the 50 SMA, it averages the last 50 candles. It's steady, slow, and great for identifying long-term direction. Then we have the EMA, Exponential Moving Average. This one reacts faster because it gives more weight to recent price. Short-term traders and scalpers love the EMA because it moves quicker and gives earlier signals. If SMA is like a cruise ship, EMA is a speedboat. Next is the WMA, Weighted Moving Average. This also gives more importance to recent data, but even more aggressively than the EMA. It's like EMA on steroids. Then there's the HMA, Hull Moving Average. This one is designed to be smooth and fast at the same time. If you don't like lag, the HMA is your new best friend. VWMA, Volume Weighted Moving Average, adjusts the average based on volume. When volume increases, the VWMA reacts more strongly. When volume is low, it reacts less. This is useful because volume confirms real price movement. And finally, ZLEMA, Zero Lag Exponential Moving Average. This one tries to eliminate lag completely. It's fast and highly reactive but still smooth. If you want early signals without the noise, ZLEMA can be incredibly powerful. So how do we actually use moving averages to trade? Number 1, trend direction. If price is above your moving average, you look for buys. If price is below, you look for sells. Trade with the flow, not against it. Number 2, dynamic support and resistance. When the market trends, price often bounces off the moving average. Price comes back to the line, touches it, and continues. Those touches can be amazing entry points. Number 3, moving average crossovers. A fast MA crossing above a slow MA can signal a potential uptrend. A fast MA crossing below a slow MA can signal a downtrend. Many traders use combinations like the 50 and 200 to identify long-term shifts. For intraday traders, popular EMA combinations are 9, and 21 EMAs for momentum, 20 and 50 EMAs for trend trading. For swing traders, 50 and 200 SMA, the classic trend roadmap. If the moving averages are stacked neatly and aligned, the trend is strong. If they're tangled, stay out. No trend, only chaos. On TradingView, customizing moving averages is simple. Just click on the indicator, adjust the length, change from SMA to EMA or others, change thickness, change colors, done. If you're using multiple moving averages, give them different colors so your chart stays clean. And here's the best part. The indicator I'm using in this video is completely free. I built it myself using Pine Script, and it overlays 12 customizable moving averages: SMA, EMA, WMA, HMA, VWMA, and ZLEMA, 2 of each, fully adjustable. You can grab the full code right now. Just check the video description or pinned comment. I've linked a Google Doc with everything you need. Open TradingView and go to your chart. At the bottom, click on Pine Editor. Delete any existing code and paste the script from the doc. Click Add to Chart, and boom, you'll see all 12 moving averages overlaid instantly. Click the gear icon next to the indicator name to customize each one. Here is the golden rule. Moving averages don't predict the future. They reveal the present clearly. They help you remove noise and follow the trend. If you understand the trend, your entries become logical, not emotional. You stop guessing and start reacting. Next episode, we're taking this to another level. We'll dive into the mean, how price always comes back to its average, and how to use it as a powerful trading edge. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's move to the next edge.